Hello students, welcome to Smart World, the School of Complete Education. Myself, Sayyad Rubina, I heartily welcome you in this our English session. This is chapter number 6 from English and the poem name is The Peacock and the Crane. Basically, it is a poem with good moral. So listen. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Students, here we have seen three new words. First one is conceited. Conceited means very proud or arrogant. A person who don't have any manners, that is arrogant. Gorgeous means beautiful, stunning. And scoffed at means laugh at the someone rudely and scornfully. So here one day one peacock he made to the crane. That time he admired himself. He told to the crane that how beautiful he is. So what he told to the crane? Let's see that. Look at my feathers, how they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king. So here the peacock, he told about himself that God has given him very beautiful feathers, how the beautiful colors are there in the rainbow, like that my tail is very beautiful, how much gorgeous I am, how much beautiful I am. And see, you don't have any color, simply your feathers are white and pale. You don't have any color on your feather. The crane was very polite. Politely he answered to the peacock that that's true, friend. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. The crane replied to peacock that yes, I agree that you can fly, you have very nice feathers, but myself, I can fly high in the sky among the clouds and stars. Students, here notice that peacock cannot fly so high. Why? Because the weight of the peacocks is very much. Because of the heavy weight, they can't fly so high. So very politely he answered to the peacock. And at last the one proverb is written, fine feathers don't make the birds. It indicates that your clothes, your appearance, it is not always important or does not matter in front of your personality or other capability that you have. So, we should not judge any person by its looks, personality or external appearance. That doesn't count. They are external. What is important? That is inside in you. Whatever the qualities are there in you. So what is the moral of the story? That you should be content. Content means satisfied with whatever you have in you. Like the crane who was satisfied in the poem. You should never complain that you did not get this and that with the person who have more than you. No, it's not good. God gives everyone equal things. Be content, be satisfied in your life. Don't feel jealous. Try to overcome your disability. You should not compare your qualities with others. God has given everyone many qualities. We should improve our qualities, and whatever the disability we are having, we should overcome that. Try to bring positivity in your life. Thank you.